Any mention?
Yes, Mr.
My lord, item number 8, my lord, Robert T. Sangma. I've taken concern of my friend. This matter will be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
No objection.
Highly obliged.
Not object to the petition. List of topics. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship. Lordship, here I am praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, Lordship. It's pertaining to that romantic relationship case.
Prayer made with the petition. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 26, Lordship.
Same. No.
This also. 2 weeks on the prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 9, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Prayer of the petitioner. Not object to the respondent. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 24, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Zilla.
My lord, I'm the only respondent. I believe my friend has some difficulties today, so no objection.
The prayer of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Also, my lord, item 13 to 22,
Yes.
my lord, these are those MCS matters, seniority issue.
Yes. Yes.
So, lordship has heard everyone. It is only for filing of written arguments. My arguments were ready. I believe my friend
We are also.
is also ready. We can file if lordship allows.
Let the matter be called.
Very well.
Just submit it. All parties are ready with written notes so far.
I am ready.
All the parties are ready.
I'm also ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Then we just let the matter be called.
My lord, my lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Your Lordship. Praying for a week's time, Your Lordship.
I'm for the state respondents, my lord.
I'm for the complainant, my lord. Asking for how many weeks?
Right, Your Lordship.
Prayer of the petitioner. Yes.
Supplementary cause list.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray for time as the conducting counsel. We went to attend a funeral, Your Lordship.
You're for whom?
Respondent number 2, ma'am.
We are appearing for?
Respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
I'm for one, my lord.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
On prayer made. We have respondent number. You are an advocate on record.
Yes, sir.
On prayer made by so-and-so, or counsel appearing for the respondent number so-and-so. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Item number 1.
Yes, Mr.
Good morning, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have come by way of an application under 428 invoking the inherent powers to quash an order dated 23rd of September 2024, by which the bail of the petitioner was cancelled, Your Lordship. I'll get to the facts of the case, if I may. Lordship, the petitioner was arrested in connection with NDPS case number 23 of 2023. She was arrested in the month of May 2023. Thereafter, she was granted bail in connection with the said case on the 1st of December 2023, Your Lordship. After she was granted bail, she was taken into custody again in connection with another case. Right, Your Lordship. And she was taken into custody in connection with the new case or the second case on the 24th of June 2024. Right. Thereafter, and she has been in custody ever since the 24th of June 2024. Now, Your Lordship, when
I think she was rearrested in connection with
she
this.
was rearrested in
She
connection
was
with some
released
other
and
case.
then she was rearrested.
Right, Your Lordship, in connection with some other case. Now, while she was undergoing judicial custody, we moved for her bail on the 3rd of, in connection with the new case, we moved for her bail on the 3rd of October 2025. And it is when we were moving the bail application for her in connection with the second case, we were informed by the court that a bail has already been cancelled in connection with the first case. Now, this came as a shock to us, Your Lordship, because we were never given a notice, a prior notice informing us that
Both the matters are pending before the same court.
same court. So this came as an utter shock. Why? Because we were never informed or given a notice intimating us that an application praying for cancellation of the bail in the first case has been filed by the prosecutor. Thereafter, I perused the records, Your Lordship, and it is only in the second week of October 2025 I came to learn that an order was indeed passed cancelling the bail of the petitioner. And the impugned order, Your Lordship, was passed on the 23rd of September 2024. I've annexed the impugned order.
That order was passed without affording any.
Absolutely, Your Lordship. I'll take you to Annexure 1, which is at page 11. May I read, Your Lordship?
Oh, yes.
May I read?
Yes, yes, please.
So this is 23rd of September 2024.
This is October. We have more than 1
Absolutely.
year.
I have come after more than a year of passing the impugned order. I do agree, Your Lordship, but that is only because if we read the order, we'll come to know that no notice was ever served to us. And even after cancellation, neither was I informed, although I was taking up the trial. Neither was I informed that the bail was cancelled, neither was the accused
Jail
informed.
authority has not informed
No,
about the
the jail
cancellation
authorities
of
also I
bail.
spoke with, Your Lordship, and they told me that the order cancelling the bail of the petitioner was never supplied to them. If it was supplied to them, they would have perhaps intimated the petitioner, who would have intimated me. But it is only when I confirmed from the petitioner in the month of October 2025 that, are you aware that your bail is cancelled? You never told me. She told me that no, I was never informed by the court. Let us read this impugned order, Your Lordship, if I may. Order is dated 23rd of September 2024. Case record put up on call upon receipt of an application filed by learned P.P. S. Padang for cancellation of bail order dated 1st of December 2023 in respect of accused Maya Gwala. On perusal of the application and the case record, it is evident that the accused Maya Gwala was arrested in connection with the instant case on the 24th of May 2023 and was subsequently released on bail by order dated 1st of December 2023, and 5 conditions have been imposed. That out of the 5 conditions, one of the conditions is that the accused shall not indulge in a similar activity or legal act in the near future, with a note that failure of the accused to comply with any of the conditions set forth by the court shall bail shall be liable to be cancelled. While the accused was on bail, she got arrested by the police on the 24th of June 2024 in connection with Clariat PS so-and-so. Hence, she has violated one of the bail conditions and a bail is liable to be cancelled. Accordingly, bail granted to the accused while order dated 1st of December is hereby cancelled. Lordship, on the very day the application was filed, without affording us an opportunity, the bail was cancelled.
Yes.
Lordship,
How do you defend this order?
May it please your lordship, I've just been given the file, but there is a precedence in this honourable court, your lordship, or a case of 2023, where this honourable court had actually granted bail with an automatic cancellation provision. So my argument would be, lordship, that
Okay.
right,
What is this? There is the condition stipulated
lordship.
basically say that it will stand automatically cancelled in case of violation of any.
Please,
of them.
lordship.
Is it?
There is a judgment. There's a
Something
precedence in this
something may
case,
be-
lordship.
You see, automatic to you cannot be. You have to give an opportunity. How can you do it? You have instruction. We'll have it.
I'll take instructions, lordship, please.
if I may fortify my arguments with some precedents set by.
Is it required at this stage? We'll issue notice without
then it's-
hearing them. He has to take
Of
the
course.
instructions.
Please, lordship.
Absolutely.
See, let us just we have to verify what you said is correct or not.
Absolutely. Lordship.
Just say hard material. Issue notice returnable in 2 weeks.
No sequence, but
Mr. Day, Norway Council, that pays for the state response. This landed GA shall have necessary instruction before the next date, at least after 2 weeks. You come prepared, we'll dispose of on the next day. Just come with the authorities and all. Of course, that is, I don't think more or less settled proposition. I don't think that
Please,
will
lordship. I'll lay certain authorities to just counter my, as is my duty.
we'll take a leave as well.
After 2 weeks.
Have a good day.
Daily cause list, item number 1.
Please, lordship.
Lordship, this was a matter concerning these 144 proceedings. On the last order, it was to be fixed for hearing, but it has still come up for orders. So there was some confusion on our part also.
Who is appearing for the other side?
The state is represented by Mr.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the sole respondent here.
What is the state? There is only, the state is not a party. State is a
State
party.
is a
yeah?
party, Lordship. Mr. Sengupta was appearing on the. It may be fixed for hearing in the hearing column.
On last occasion, Mr. Kharmi appeared, Mr. KP
Lordship, yes,
that
there is
lady,
some-
even some. I do not know how many names are there and how many names are reflected here. 3, 4
My lord may
councils at
have
a
it
time,
after
government
some time.
councils.
Madam Mrs. Gupta is before the other court. I'll inform him.
On fair made by the,
It may be fixed in the hearing column, Lordship, because
it is submitted by the parties. The matter is ready for hearing. Let's wait for list after 2 weeks.
Lordship, 2 weeks.
For hearing.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
My lords, this is the bank guarantors matter.
Yes. Yes.
My lords, this is the bank guarantors matter. I am appearing for the petitioners, my lords.
Yes.
On the last occasion, notice was issued. My lords, we wanted to produce 3 documents that we have received from the bank. If my learned friend can just show it with the honorable bench.
No. Can you produce document like this?
My lords, we had to take permission from this honorable court to actually produce it.
If you want some documents to be incorporated, then you file it by an additional affidavit.
My lords, then we would seek permission to actually amend the prayer also, because with respect to petitioner number 1, charges have already been framed. So if maybe we may be allowed to do that, and also if we may be allowed to make bank a party, my lords, because I was informed that without taking permission from this honorable bench, we can't do that.
Now, is there any provision of implement in the criminal law?
My lords, bank, because last time my lords had asked this question, because bank was not a party, it was the other matter. If you remember, my lords, there's another matter which is listed tomorrow, wherein the petitioner has actually paid the whole loan amount. So in that, the suggestion had come from this honorable bench. That is why we were seeking this.
No, court doesn't give suggestion. Please do not misinterpret. Do not take it that way. There may be a query that such and such is a party or not, but then court doesn't give any suggestions. This is for you.
My apologies.
Please do not say that way. At least. I don't think this court will give you any
We'll
legal
file these
advice.
documents.
See, the problem is
No,
that
no, no.
where is the provision of implement in criminal law? If you have to impute somebody, except for proceeding under 145 CRPC, I don't think there is any provision in law. Perhaps
Right,
there
my
will be a
lords.
decision by the apex court, but then not in this kind of cases.
Then my lords, we may be allowed to
We withdraw this petition, file afresh. We'll give you liberty to file afresh. If you desire, instead of making it complicated, you want to.
No, my lords, we don't need we'll not do that, my lords.
Yes.
We won't be doing that, lords.
So what? Then you file appropriate application seeking permission if you want to. We'll see which way to deal it.
All right, my lords, we'll do that.
Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits it. What is the bank? Meghalaya Rural Bank.
Meghalaya Rural Bank, my lords.
Yes. Learned counsel looking for the parties. Looking for the petitioner submit that Meghalaya Rural Bank is required to be made a party respondent in this criminal revision and please for grant us some time to file an appropriate application in this regard. Prayer Lord, list after 2 weeks. List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
May we please your lordship. Notice upon responded to, I have to reissue again. I think it has returned answer.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 2. We are entering a prayer. 2.
So then your problem is
No problem.
okay. MS, yes. Then what shall we do?
Mr. M. L. Nompi will lead. Mr. M. L. Nompi will come next date.
No, but then what do you want?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just okay. MS so and so, Learned Counsel has entered appearance.
I appear on behalf of respondent 1.
Okay. Therefore, so respondent 1. Okay. Okay, then just say Mr. So and so, Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of respondent 2, and Miss so and so, Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2.
3 to 9 3 to 9.
3 to 9. There, how many respondents are there?
Nine responded already.
Okay. Mr. Debnat, Learned Counsel, appears for respondent number 329. Yes, please provide the Learned Counsel with the respondents. Two weeks time is granted for taking necessary instruction. Mr.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes.
Much.
Item number 4.
My Lord, here we are supposed to bring on record the charge sheet by way of additional affidavit. My Lord, we will file in the course of the day. I'll serve copies to the respondents also.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit, that an additional affidavit, bringing on record the related charge sheet will be filed during the course of the day. We have submission, this matter after a week.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, a step has been taken on respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Whether the notice has been served.
That, Your Lordship, we don't know. We have to inquiry from the GPO, Your Lordship, whether it is served or not, Your Lordship.
You have not checked the office note. It has been served. It says office note indicates that it has been served. Who is the respondent here?
The state and
No, number 2. Respondent
number 2 is a complainant, Your Lordship,
This is a case seeking what? Quashing of?
of investigation, Your Lordship.
What is the offence involved?
Theft, Your Lordship, and trespass.
Theft and trespass.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Anyway, yes. The office note dated 3/11/2025 indicates that the respondent number 2 has been served. So that the notice upon respondent number 2 has been effected. Stop. However, there is no appearance for the said respondent when the matter is called out. Well, just keep it for another day, just see whether they appear or not.
Okay, that's true.
Let's spread through the parties. List after 2 weeks to enable appearance of the respondent number 2. You have obtained your instruction.
No, Your Lordship.
You obtained instruction also.
Lordship.
The learned GSL also obtained necessary instruction in the meanwhile.
Lordship.
Hearing item number 7.
Pursuant to Your Lordship's order dated 6/3/2025,
Yes.
Your Lordship passed an order to file an affidavit
In this matter,
in this matter.
6/3/2025.
Long
way.
They have filed an affidavit.
What was the order?
Order was that as to whether the all circulars issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs are also applicable to the Assam Rifle. This is regarding examination under 17% quota in the cadre of Naib Subedar. That is called Sub Inspector, my lord. In other central force, it is called Sub Inspector. Lordship's detailed order in 6/3/2025 passed by Your Lordship. So they have filed an affidavit putting a circular of the a letter of the Ministry of Home Affairs, section officer.
What is the order? Let us just see what is the order. They will understand what is the
6/3/2025.
6/3/2025. Okay, what do they say in their affidavit?
They have actually, my lord, lordship, page 5, one circular is there. One letter of the section officer is there.
No, what is the affidavit? What
Affidavit, that's the one portion of the, there says, it is up to, Assam Rifle is got a separate institution.
So it will not under CPF.
But under the same, my lord, same circular, 17% for same competitive examination, 17%, your lordship have also observed that 17% already they have adopted for assistant commandant, not for the.
That is your submission.
No, they are in the on record. 17% they have adopted, my lord. 17% for assistant commandant, limited departmental examination.
That is what you see, that this has gone as your submission here.
No, on record, my lord, it is there. It is there. 17% they have adopted.
It is all right. So far as the order is concerned.
Yes.
So 17%.
But not for the sub-inspector or naib subedar.
Yes.
That is the whole issue, my lord.
So they have partially implemented.
They are partially implemented.
With regard to certain
and they say it is under the authority of, lordship will find, authority that in my WPC, authority they have said that 17% of assistant commandant that they are conducting under the authority of Government of India, page 12 of my writ petition. Page 12 of my writ petition.
What is the affidavit they have filed after the order dated 6/3?
No, they have filed, my lord.
Where is the affidavit and what does it say?
They are saying that Assam Rifle is a separate, it does not fall within the paramilitary forces. Whereas, my lord, so they are adopting 17% for assistant commandant out of the same circular.
We'll see. We'll come to your merit. Just let us first. You argue your case. Just give a moment to the court to understand the issue. Then you raise your contention. Why you are in a hurry?
Page 12.
That means, according to them, since Assam Rifles is a different establishment, the same notification will not bind the Assam Rifles. The same circular will not.
Yes.
And then which way we deal with the issue then? If that is the stand, and if they are to be, if they are a separate institution, separate establishment, then which way we can make this circular applicable to them until and unless it is provided specifically in the circular?
Now, for that, my lord, I will just take shelter under Annexure A of my rejoinder affidavit. Annexure A of my rejoinder affidavit. Now, all recruitments are under the common parallel of staff selection, including all the central paramilitary. Lordship will Annexure A, page 8 of my rejoinder. That on the last occasion, your lordship, after noticing this circular, your lordship passed this order. Page 8 of my internal page 8
yes.
of my rejoinder. All recruitments in constable levels are CISF, SSB, then my lord SSF, CRPF, all under the combined examination, under the Ministry of, my lord, under the policy of Ministry of Home Affairs. Under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So how they can segregate?
No, that is an advertisement.
No, under the same central paramilitary forces, and my lord, in KK Dination case.
So this is just a minute. Don't move too fast. You know your case. The court doesn't know. So you have to make the court understand your case. Now this is basically this annexure A to your rejoinder. Basically, is a notice notifying recruitment of constables in various organizations, isn't it? Constable GD in Central Armed Police Forces, NIA and SSF, and riflemen so and so. So that is only for a particular occasion, isn't it? Now, would it mean that all the recruitment will come under one umbrella?
One umbrella.
Does it say that for the same say? Is it
one umbrella?
Is it said so in this notice?
It appears from the record itself, my lord.
But then, if you see the language of the notice,
my lord,
the Staff Selection Commission will conduct an open examination for recruitment for the post of so and so. So that is basically regarding a particular recruitment, isn't it?
Particular recruitment, and your lordship will find even the circular itself, because in KK Dination case, Supreme Court held that similar benefit should be given because it is all our central paramilitary force. Supreme Court has held. My lord, I have highlighted for your lordship, para 4 and 6. It is under the same circular, my lord.
Let us get the fact of your case. Come to start to read petition. Swan, you can go.
Prayer in the writ petition, your lordship will find in the prayer
What is your case in the writ petition?
that I should be provided benefit
No,
of.
who are you? You are, what is your?
I am a constable GT.
Yes.
Constable GT. My lord, my prayer in the writ petition, they have passed I have made a representation for permitting me to participate in the limited departmental competitive examination under 17% quota. Under 17% quota. They rejected my application on 31/10/2017, Annexure 11.
Yes.
Annexure 11, they say it does not, that examination does not relate to Assam Rifle. It relates to other central paramilitary
Your
forces.
claim was based on certain?
That all other central paramilitary forces holding the same examination, even Assam Rifle also holding the same examination.
Where is your representation?
My lord, my representation is page 60, your lordship. Page 60.
60.
Annexure 9, my lord.
Yes. It's a application for non-implement. It's application for implementation of regarding creation of. Now you have not referred to any particular circular here in your representation.
My lord, only para 2 I have said. I came to know that CAPFS, BSF, ITBP, SSB, para 2, my lord.
That is all right, but then you have not
Post 17% inspector posts are being filled up through LDC.
Yes, and then
ITBP, BSF, SSB, lordship will find. GSR and all the recruitment rule, this 17% has been incorporated.
yes,
But in the recruitment rule of Assam Rifle, in all the recruitment rule, I have enclosed, my lord. There is 17% limited departmental examination, that provision is already incorporated in the statutory recruitment rules. But in Assam Rifle recruitment rule, it was not.
So it means in all other
central paramilitary forces.
That limited departmental promotional examination is
Yes.
held on the basis of the provision made in the rules.
Made in the rules.
So
And
that is not on the basis of any
No,
notification.
initially circular was issued. After that, they have amended. They have asked all the recruitment rule should be amended like that. Assam Rifle did not take any steps on the plea that it was not.
When this initial circular was issued?
My lord, that I just take your words.
First circular when it came?
Yes, my lord, I will show you.
Page 15.
1.5
of the report.
It speaks at that in Central Armed Police Forces.
Yes.
So Central Armed Police Force, Assam Rifles is not a part of the Central Armed Police Forces.
My humble submission, it is a part of Assam Rifles.
That is our
Police
case, my
Force.
lord.
That is not. It is not.
My lord, page 15, lords, you can see
Yes.
the only two posts are to be filled up by departmental this thing, my lord. AC
assistant commandant,
LDC,
my lord, and
SI.
SI is sub-inspector, my lord, are based on a scheme circulated by the so-and-so, so-and-so. And now, my lord, kindly see the last page of this, my lord.
AC is assistant commandant.
Assistant commandant and SI is sub-inspector, my lord.
But SC they have adopted.
Just one second.
Assistant commandant they are doing.
Just let us get the facts, and then we'll just you will give your contention later. Just let's get it.
Now, my lord, this is the policy, my lord. Lordship, kindly see the last page of this policy, page 18.
Yes.
My lord, my lord, towards the bottom, to the Director General, CRPA, BSF, CISF, ITBP, SSB. Assam Rifle is not mentioned here, my lord.
Acha. The copy forwarded to you. Okay.
So the intention of the policy right from beginning is that Assam Rifle is not included.
Anyway, we'll come to that. These are all so far as the merits of your previous argument. We are just saying that this is the notification. Then thereafter, the rules with regard to all the departments.
Yes.
That is ITBP, BSF and SSB.
They have incorporated that 17%.
So it was amended and that 70% LDC was incorporated there.
Incorporated.
But then Assam Rifles has been left out.
Assam Rifle left out. Assam Rifle is there. But, my lord, they have adopted the 17%. They are saying that it is not, Lordship will find assistant commandant, page 15, your Lordship, assistant commandant and sub-inspector. Lordship may again.
Yes, that is
assistant commandant. But how then they are doing assistant commandant? That is the question. How they are doing? Because their result I have enclosed.
Is it not a policy matter? That is up to them.
No,
until and unless.
Yes, policy should be, my lord, it should be equally applied.
Please listen to the query of the court so that you can address it in more proper.
My lord.
Until and unless they are compelled by a provision in the rules, will it not be that they can apply that policy with regard to one post and may not adopt the same for another post?
In this connection, I will place, my lord, that judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court regarding same thing was happened in radio mechanics case. Lordship, I have flag mark it for your Lordship.
Just a minute. If these are with regard to equivalent rank or pay, it may be. But then here, SC and SI are not equivalent, isn't it?
No.
Assistant commandant and sub-inspector, two different posts, isn't it? They are not...
no, admittedly not.
Equal,
admittedly not equal.
They do not
admittedly
carry
not equal. But they have precisely picked up assistant commandant limited departmental exam, and no recruitment will also not amended by a circular. By a circular, Lordship will find, just for your Lordship, the circular is, the result is page 12, assistant commandant result. Authority is Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, approved note sheet, on the basis of a approved note sheet. Not following any circular.
Anyway, you do not have any grievance with regard to that assistant commandant.
No, that is exactly my
your
case.
thing is that it should be adopted
partly,
for the
yes.
sub-inspector, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
You do not have any grievance with regard to the conferment of benefit to the assistant commandant.
Assistant commandant,
but
similar benefit ought to have been extended to us.
Now, if you are to claim a similar benefit as a matter of right, then you have to show us from where your right flows.
All the parameters, that is why I am referring, because this, I have flag mark for your Lordship.
This is the case.
This is the issue.
There is no other thing.
That is the
actual aspect.
Lordship, first case, Union of India versus the Nation KK.
Yes.
Here, my lord, I am reading para 4, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
Yes, please.
The nub of the grievance of the writ petitioner working in the rank of a radio mechanic in the Assam Rifle was that the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Director General of Assam Rifle, having accepted in principle that the members of the Assam Rifle should be given the same rank pay structure as was given to other central paramilitary forces, yet the same had been denied to them. It was pleaded that the Ministry of Home Affairs had conveyed its decision to rationalize the rank structure of non-gazetted personnel of Central Paramilitary Forces by order dated 26th January 1998. Equal pay structure in other ranks, including radio mechanics. There may not only radio mechanics was cited. In the radio mechanics in the Assam Rifle could not be denied. His further grievance was that after implementation of the 4th Pay Commission, the pay of Havildar GD and Hired Constable radio mechanics was fixed in the pay scale of 975 1660 without any discrimination between the general duty and the technical categories. But the discrimination surfaced when higher pay scale 1200 to 2040 was given to the radio mechanics working in BSF, denying the same pay scale to the radio mechanics in the Assam Rifles. It was also pointed out that the radio mechanics working in the Delhi Police Organization had been given a much higher pay scale on 10th October 1997, which was being denied to the similar rank holders in Assam Rifle. Then para 6, my lord. Para 6. Yes. Taking note of the admission on the part of the Union of India, that there was disparity between the pay scales of the members of the Assam Rifles and similarly ranked personnel of other paramilitary forces, the High Court felt that it would be unreasonable and discriminatory if the pay scale given to the radio mechanics in CRPF, BSF were denied to the radio mechanics in Assam Rifles when the qualification service requirement in all the 3 organizations were identical. Already declared by the Supreme Court, my lord. In their affidavit, they have admitted.
Paragraph 6.
Paragraph 6.
Yes.
A requirement in all the 3 organizations were identical. Consequently, the High Court issued the aforesaid directions which are questioned in this appeal.
No, that is not paragraph 6.
My lord, then my lord, lordship
This
will
is
find.
not what you have read out, that is not in paragraph 6. Paragraph 6 is the right petition was contested by the Union of India. You are reading KK Dination, isn't it?
Union of India KK Dination.
Yes.
Different print.
Oh, different print. So,
you have given me SCC and you are, that is why court is a bit surprised, you see. This is 2008 1 SCC 586.
find out the copy.
So you read it from there only.
My lord, I got it.
Please read it there from there. You have supplied one copy to the court, you are reading another copy. There is no one to assist you, Mr. Chandu.
My lord.
Huh?
My lord, lordship, para 9. Para 9. Para 9, my lord.
Yes.
Taking note of the admission on the part of the Union of India.
So far as your list is concerned, there is no reference para 9. We have referred to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28.
Then lordship may straightway come to 24. 24, my lord. 24.
Yes.
From the extracted paragraphs of the counter affidavit and the resume of correspondence referred to above, it clearly stands admitted by the petitioners herein, my lord Assam Rifle, that all the paramilitary forces, including Assam Rifles, are on a par with each other. There was apparent disparity in the pay scales of the personnel of Assam Rifle with their counterparts in other central paramilitary forces. In order to rectify this disparity, Director General Assam Rifle petition number 2 herein by the data dated 18/2/98 had in fact taken up the grievance of the respondent with the Ministry of Home Affairs inter alia, recommending the redesignation of Havildar RM, grade 1-2 of Assam Rifle as warrant officer, and for the replacement of pay scale of 4,000, 6,000 to bring them on a par with their counterpart in other central police organizations. However, the Ministry of Home Affairs by letter dated para 25, my lord, 3398, while accepting the said proposal, had recommended the redesignation of the Havildar RM as warrant officer, but subject to the condition that the revised and revised pay scale of Havildar RM in other paramilitary forces manifest in the instant case the differentiation in the pay scales of the two paramilitary forces is sought to be achieved not on the ground of dissimilarity of academic qualification or the nature of duties and the responsibility, but only on the ground that there was initial anomaly in the 4th Central Pay Commission report. The counter affidavit does not even attempt to explain how the case of Havildar RM in Assam Rifle is different from the radio mechanic in other central paramilitary forces. In the present case, therefore, in the light of the admitted factual position, question of examination or external comparison, internal relativities, and other factors to be kept in view for job evaluation, considered to be a complex issue to be studied only by the expert bodies, does not arise. As a necessary corollary, the issue as to whether there is a complete or wholesale identity between the said paramilitary forces does not survive for consideration. Thus, the short question requiring our consideration is whether, having admitted in their affidavit referred to herein above, the apparent disparity and anomaly in the pay scales of radio mechanics, the perpetuate apparent discriminatory differentiation in the pay scales because of the disparity in pre-revised and revised scales of the personnel of Assam Rifles prior to the recommendation of the 4th Pay Commission, irrespective of the identity of their powers, duties, responsibilities with other paramilitary forces. In our considered opinion, in view of the total absence of any plea on the part of the Union of India that in other paramilitary forces were performing different or more onerous duties as compared to the radio mechanics in Assam Rifle, the impugned decision the government was clearly irrational, arbitrary, and thus violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. So, my humble submission, my lord, even my lord, in all other aspects, and there are several judgments of this court asking similar benefit.
That denation, the order was passed on the basis of some statement made in the affidavit. There is a sort of admission kind of thing by the Assam Rifles in that matter.
No, my lord, which apart from that, my lord, I can place some judgment also, your lordship.
No, that is where, you see, we want something which is more clear, which says...
I can place some judgments which says that everything, my lord, rank, status, and they say it's only because Assam Rifle was not mentioned. It is the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is the Ministry of Home, because all central paramilitary force are under the administrative control of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, my lord. So, my lord, all the circulars and all the benefits should be extended to the other paramilitary forces, including the Assam Rifles. And some judgments have been delivered by this honorable court in respect of other issues, your lordship, that there should be at par with. I will place those judgments also.
Please give us. That will make the work easier for the purpose.
But those judgments have no bearing, my lord. Those are with regard to pay parity, my lord. But then here is a question whether they are entitled to 17% departmental promotion or not, my lord. My lord, kindly see the OM which they are relying on, my lord. It talks about assistant commandant and sub-inspector, my lord is seen. Now, my lord, I'll only take your lordship to one document, my lord, in my affidavit. Your lordship, kindly.
You see, Dr. Mojika, the contention of Mr. Chando is that you see, like, you cannot discriminate between the personnel of two.
No, my lord, that was because 5th Pay Commission, my lord, gave certain pay scale to all. They revised the pay scales, my lord. Assam Rifle did not implement that, though it specifically, that's why the affidavit says that there is, government admitted before the Supreme Court, yes, there is disparity.
In Kakadi Nation?
Yes, my lord. And that is how that order came to be passed.
That is what this
now, here it is not a question of pay scale, my lord. Here they are serving in Assam Rifle, they are getting pay equal to their counterparts in BSF, CRPF, or whatever, my lord. That is not their grievance. Their grievance is that they should have the same opportunity which is there in CRPF, for departmental competitive examination to
Limited departmental competitive
My lord.
examination. That's 17%.
17%.
That's 17%.
It was wrong.
That's yes.
So issue is altogether different, my lord. The nation has not decided because only because pay scale is same, my lord.
That's
The
all right.
promotional
But then
avenues or
Mr. Chanda says that there are some decisions which says
there is none, my lord. The decision
I'll place, my lord.
decision are only to the.
And my lord,
I'll just show one document, my lord. Kindly see page 19 of my affidavit, my lord.
selectively they have taken as assistant commandant.
I'm answering that. I'm answering.
Let them, my lord,
I'm
answer
answering that, please.
how they have 17% for assistant commandant they have taken. Under what authority of law?
no, you see, you are not concerned with assistant commandant. You just say
No,
how
once
sub-inspector
under the
is-
same circular, my lord. It is under the same circular. It is selectively taken assistant commandant.
So what?
Kindly see
If
my
it is under the same circular, this both the post doesn't become one post, isn't it? They remain two
No, that
different posts.
I am not asking for, my lord.
We do not even need to go there, my lord. We will also kindly see page 19, my lord.
Page 19 of your
My
affidavit.
affidavit, my lord. Affidavit of the respondent, filed in May 2019.
Yes.
Now, my lord, allegation is that we have implemented selectively that office memorandum, my lord. We have given to assistant commandant, not given to sub-inspector, my lord. Now, kindly see, assistant commandant is not given because of that circular, my lord. Assistant commandant is given because of this letter, my lord. This is of 1996. Page 19, my lord, my affidavit.
Okay.
It says, my lord, filling up of vacancies of officers in Assam Rifle. I am directed to invite a reference to your letter number so and so and the discussion on so in the ministry with Ministry of Defence, DG so and so. And subject noted above, I had to say that on the basis of the suggestion and in the said meeting, the competent authorities approved the following method with regard to filling up the vacancies of officers in Assam Rifle. 20% of the promotion quota vacancies of assistant commander will be filled up through regimental promotion of JCS or NCS through departmental examination as in existence so and so. So this
is what my
this
grievance,
20,
my lord.
and this is not even 17%, but this is 20%.
That is what my grievance, my lord. That is what my grievance.
So that is not
Yes, my lord.
because of that notification.
Yes, my lord. That notification is not applicable to us. That is our case,
Plus,
my
so
lord.
far as the other forces are concerned, that is provided in the rules. That 17%
My
LDC.
lord.
For Assam Rifles, there is nothing.
That policy is not applicable to Assam Rifle.
Anyway, you just give us decisions what you say that.
Yes,
this is like-
even my lord, this only selectively because the issue came up from those original circulars. Now it is made in place of 17%, it is 20%. It is made 20% out of the same circular, my lord.
This circular starts from 2000, my lord. And what I pointed out is from 96, my lord.
Yes.
It is
No,
2018.
you see, that is, but then if you read it, this 1996 notification,
Yes, my lord.
this 20% of the promotion quota vacancies of assistant commandant in Assam Rifles will be filled up through regimental promotion of JCS and NCS.
My lord.
Through departmental examination is in existence now.
Yes,
So that was already in existence.
It's already there, my lord. So what I'm trying to submit, my lord, this 20% which is given to assistant commandant is not because of that notification, my lord. Not of 2000. Their allegation is that 2000 has been implemented selectively, implemented for assistant commandant, not implemented for SI, my lord. Our contention is, my lord, that is this 20% is altogether different.
Now, their condition is that if the circular basically confers benefit on both the posts,
Yes.
then you cannot choose one, leaving
Yes,
behind
my
another.
lord. Our
Then
reply
you say that notification has not at all been acted on.
not at all been.
No, my humble submission, my lord. Each and I will place even the recommendation of the 6 CPC. There 1-to-1 parity must be maintained.
You just please us.
One-
give us
1-to-1.
So give
My-
us those will be more relevant for
My
the
lord,
case.
I'll place all
If
this.
that is so, my lord, we have to start transfer from Assam Rifle to BSF and to CRPF, my lord. And to CISF also. 1-to-1, that kind of parity is required, my lord. Assam Rifle is a border guard force, my lord. It is not a.
In almost all the cases, parity have been declared by this honorable court
Let
with
me
at par
place
with
those
others.
you distinguish.
Other.
Then place, my lord, 7 years they're placing, my lord, to 18 meter. They'll retire maybe in the meantime, some of them, my lord.
That is not your concern actually. Should not be your concern also. Huh? Okay. Hard. counsel appearing for the parties. So, prayer made by Mr. Chanda. 2 weeks' time is granted to enable him to place the appropriate authorities in support of his case.
After
2 weeks.
2 weeks. After 4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks will go to next year, my lord. They want 9 years to complete.
And there is no interim order, isn't it?
No interim.
There is no interim order.
Not that.
4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
We'll have it after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Just see. If you need some more time, you ask for it. We'll
My
see
lord.
at that point.
My lord.
3 weeks. Make it 3 weeks.
Obliged, your lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
I'm from the petitioner. And Your Lordship, item number 10 is connected matter with item 11, Your Lordship.
So?
Lordship, my
Lordship,
apologies. This matter was not mentioned earlier. My lord, here the learned AAG is not available today. So, my lord, if this matter can be taken up any other day.
Dr. Agarwal.
Lordship, I am appearing for the stage in item number 10.
Your Lordship, I am appealing for the private respondent.
And then Dr. Agarwal is for the state.
State in item
My
number
lord, there are
10.
2 items together, my lord.
So you are making a prayer for adjournment on behalf of the state?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What do you say?
No objection.
Okay. Just say. A prayer made on behalf of the state respondent. The dispute urgent. When? List after?
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, in that case, if it could be after 3 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Okay. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
13 to 22.
Yes, Mr. Jindal is there.
May I please, Your Lordship, last occasion?
Oh, you're.
Yes, Lordship. On the last occasion.
See, yours. Yes.
No, the written arguments are ready. Yes. So if Lordship permits, we'll file the written arguments.
Yes. Just here.
Lordship, let them give us the copy. That
You'll do it later.
We'll apply. Will reply.
Who has ready this thing? You'll find it. Okay, just say, Mr. Just say written notes on argument on behalf of the petitioner. You are also filing now.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. and the private respondent number so and so from so and so private respondent number all are same. Okay, on behalf of the private respondents.
For 3 private respondents are not received.
Just say Mr. Jindal. Now counsel for the petitioner has submitted his written notes of argument. Stop. Mr. Momin, Lord Counsel appearing for the private respondent has also submitted his written note of argument. However, Mr. N.D. Shulai, Learned AG, has prayed for grant of.
We'll file on 25th, Your Lordship. Come on, 25th.
Today is one date.
Today is 18, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
we'll have it after a week only.
After a week?
Okay, after a week, that is, isn't it?
24th.
Lordship, yes.
However, Mr. Additional and AG prays for grant of some time for submission of written notes of argument on behalf of the state respondents. List after a week.
Apply.
Please submit your respective notes and keep it in file. Just keep this on my table. Nothing more.